time check the pumpkins. Built a new hoop house for this one because it was already outgrown it. And it's not going to be too awful long before it's outgrown this one, which will be time to not have hoop houses anymore because I'm not making one bigger than 8x8, 8x6, whatever this is. Check this guy out. Okay. This one's a little harder to deal with one-handed. I've got side vines coming out here that are pretty good. Got two good ones on that side. Got two on this side. I was looking at them last night and they're kind of got some weird crap going on in here. It's all tangled up. This one's actually coming off the first vine, and this is actually the second vine. So I'm gonna sort them out as best I can, but looking pretty sweet. Oh yeah, I got these up last night. These all the way down. I'm gonna put an intermediate one in there, maybe, in between each. I still gotta do this whole side. Oh yeah, and a little update on these fence posts. Look at the gap that formed. Not impressed. I don't plan on using that crap ever again. You know, I guess I should use it one time on size of post that they say, size of hole that they say, before I judge, but I wouldn't think there'd be that big a difference. And it is crap. This whole thing's racked. Comes the rain already. Just really hoping to get more done than that. Just for the record, I honestly do not think that this right here is acceptable. But I'm not going to pay to buy new ones just to slap out here and do this. So I'll do whatever I got to do to hold them up. But this is probably not okay. Right, yeah? Probably not okay. Not structurally sound. I do not endorse this. Do not try this at home. I'm gonna get this put together and then I'm gonna patch it together all season when it's falling apart. 'Cause that's the way it is. Here it comes. Well, there's kind of a break in the rain. I'm gonna go get my garage door. One of the guys at work ordered a garage door, and so I ordered mine when he ordered his, and they delivered them both to his house. So I gotta go pick that up. It's intermittent rain, so I can't really get all my tools out without worrying about getting them soaked. So it seems like a good time to do this. It is hail net day, I hope. Hope the wind dies down a little bit. I also have to get a couple more of these boards up. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put them up before I gotta fight the hail net. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Let's get going. That's show and tell. Not really, I'm not going to go into all that. That's what this stuff looks like. I don't know if you can see that. That's a lot of cloth. That thing is huge. I gotta go switch camera batteries, and then we're gonna fight this thing. That's all right, I want him out of here. Go on. Do it look like a jarhead? Kinda gotta, because I can't see anything as the sun's so bright. It's time for tour. The hail net is done. Got still a little bit of work to do on the frame. Hopefully we don't have any big winds before I can get that stuff done. I'm pretty psyched right now because it's not substantially, but it's cooler under here than it is out in the sun. In the middle of the day, there's not as much of a difference, but with the sun at an angle, it really blocks out quite a bit, which is great. I got a baby pumpkin. It's not even June yet. Right there. That is a baby pumpkin. Little bitty guy. That's big time. I'll tell you why that's big time. I've been checking some things out online as to what people have and what they don't have growing right now, and I've only seen a few growers that even have a vine yet. Most of them still have just a plant. Now maybe the big guys that grow the huge pumpkins have vines and whatnot, but some of the other guys I've looked at have just plants, and I know they're growing. They're shooting for in the thousands. So this has me pretty excited. Enough talking.
Got my worm tea too. See it right there? Worm tea. Not the cup on top, that's Dr. Pepper and water. Worm tea, I'm gonna dump it on these, get my sprayer out and spray it. When it cools down a little bit, spray the leaves so that they're ready to go. Adios.